It's so important for you to recognize the rapport that you have with your employees and where it's at. It's not only rapport, but it's so important to have that rapport built. And it's also important for you to build a diverse team, right? If you want an ongoing entity and you are a fast-paced, task-oriented person, you need people who are behind you, next to you, and around you who are people-oriented, who are a little slower paced and they want to do the same thing every day. They want to come in and do their job, and they want that job to flow pretty steady from 9 to 5 each day or from 8 to 4. And that brings continuity to your organization. That brings some institutional learning. That brings some consistency, which your customers will come to appreciate.
Yeah, absolutely. It's just so critically important. I mean, I learned, fortunately, but it was I did the same thing that almost everybody else does. I just went at it, and then I didn't understand why I was losing employees. I mean, This is a great place to work. We care about everybody, but we keep losing people. What are we doing wrong? Maybe you just don't understand, and maybe you just keep hiring based on skill set. I mean, that was the biggest aha of my entire life and business, was understanding to hire on personality, and that's more important than skill set.